Once again, folks, the number is 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-LAW-LINK. Give a ring to Spar Bernstein's Immigration Department. They will actually set up an appointment for you to see Brad Bernstein today, tomorrow, or maybe even see one of the other attorneys on Saturday.
Yeah, I just want to make one other announcement, something very important that happened. I announced on the radio 2 nights ago. You were not on the radio, but I think it's important that we announce it during the day as well. They made a significant change in the rules to people who are widows and widowers of U.S. citizens. In the past, in order for you to be able to get a green card if your spouse died, you had to prove that you were married to that spouse for 2 years. And there are a countless number of people who have come in to see me who were married to their spouse for less than 2 years and have then subsequently been denied their green cards.
Right.
There are situations where they were married for 6 months, the spouse filed for them, it took immigration a year to process for the green card, and they've now been married a year and a half, and they're about to go in for the interview, and unfortunately the spouse dies a week before the interview or 2 weeks before the interview. That person in the past, up till 2 days ago, was screwed because they were not married for up to 2 years, and they were literally being placed in deportation.
Right.
So can you imagine your spouse dies, okay, you're not getting your green card, and now to add insult to injury, you're being placed in deportation. So, there was a terrible situation what was going on for years with that, and widows and widowers now, under the new head of the Department of Homeland Security, which is Janet I'm never good with her name, Janet Napolitano, who used to be the governor of Arizona and who was appointed by Barack Obama, changed the widow and widower rules and basically says that now, starting now, moving forward, any widow or widower of a U.S. citizen, regardless of whether they were married for 2 years or not, is eligible for deferred enforced departure status, which means that immigration promises not to deport any of these people.
Right.
And if you are put in deferred enforced departure status, you get work permission. So all of the widows and widowers are now, A, not going to be deported, B, can get work permission. And this will go on indefinitely until Congress changes the law.
Wow.
So there is now starting to become a little hope for widows and widowers of U.S. citizens.
Interesting. Once again, folks, that's the reason why we have Brad Bernstein, always to give us the update and let us know exactly what's happening. That is the reason why hundreds of thousands of people tune in each and every week to Linkup Radio for this kind of update. Brad Bernstein, once again, attorney at law at Spar Bernstein. Do remember that you can now call him at 1-800-LAW-LINK. That's 1-800-529-5465.